Hello everyone, my name is Reshma, a student from final year civil department from Vigyan's Institute of Information Technology. I recently got placed in MH now STANTEC with 4 lakhs package per annum. The CRT training in the college helped me to improve my non-technical skills like reasoning, aptitude, communication skills, and the AP training given me the designing skills in various softwares like AutoCAD, Revit, SketchUp, etc. These designing skills helped me to crack the job in MH, which is high of standards in designing in PB structures. The process includes of 3 rounds. First round is group discussion. In group discussion, the HR checked our communication skills and interactive skills with our team members in the company. The second round is tool test. In the tool test, the people checked our designing skills in the different softwares like AutoCAD, Revit, SketchUp, etc. And the third round is interview round. In the interview round, they asked questions about technical knowledge and technical skills which we learned from the college. I sincerely thank to our principal sir, HOD sir, faculty members, Dean TNP, friends and family members for providing me the opportunity and helping me to crack the interview.